high call series.
See children, now you come to the seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? There are 3,735 cows, 2,259 buffaloes, and 1,526 goats in a village. How many cattle are there in that village? That is the question. Now, after reading the question, now what is given in the problem? You observe and write as steps now. First one is C. There are 3,735 cows. How many cows are there in the village? 3,735. So we write it as a step. Number of cows. Number of cows is equal to how many cows are there? 3,735. Now, how many buffaloes are there in the village? 2,259. So, number of buffaloes we mention here. Number of buffaloes. How many are there buffaloes here? 2,259. 2,259 buffaloes are there. Now come to the goats. How many goats are there? 1,526. So number of goats is equal to 1526. Okay, three steps we mentioned here. Now, what is the required? How many cattle are there in that village? Totally, how many cattle are there? That is together, cows and buffaloes and goats. Totally, how many cattle are there? So, total number of, here we write, total number of cattle, C-A-T-T. So, total number of cattle is equal to addition. Just by combining all the three numbers, we can get the total number of cattle in the village. Total number of cattle in that village. So, by adding the three numbers, do addition now. Addition work we show in the margin. Add the digits in the ones place. 5 plus 9 plus 6. Here, 5 plus 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Strike of 0, write in ones place. Now here 2 is there. That 2, carried 2. 2 is carried. Okay, to the tens place. Now add 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So here 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. This is carried tens. Now 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Strike of 2. Write that 2 in the tens place. Now here 1 is there now. That 1 is the carried 100. That's why 1 we write here. In the hundreds place, write 1. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. That means 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus, this is the carried 100. Okay. Now 7 plus 2, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So I write here 15. Now strike of 5. And that 5 you write here. Now that 1 is there now. Now it should be carried to the next place. That is 1 we write in the thousands place. So in the thousands place, that carried 1 we are writing. Now add the digits in the thousands place. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 7. 7 will. That means 7,520. 7,520 cattle are there in that in that village. So total number of cattle in the village is equal to 7,520. Okay, this is the 7th question result. Now come to the next question. Find the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. This is the question. In the question, what we mentioned here, largest 3-digit number. What is the largest 3-digit number? The largest 3-digit number is 999. 999 after 1000 will come. 1000 is the fourth 4-digit number. Largest 3-digit number means we write here 999. Here we write the largest 3-digit number. Is equal to 999. That's the largest 3-digit number. Now, read here the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. So, we write the steps. The smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Okay. Now, the total. We asked the sum of these two. So, the sum of, now here we write the sum of the above two numbers. Sum of the above two numbers. That means what we are adding here? Largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. Both we are adding. Now add these two. Plus addition. Sum, he asked the sum. Sum means addition. That's why plus here. Now 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Here also 9 plus 0, 9. 1 is the 1999. So, the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number total is 1999. This is the required sum. Okay, children. Now we go to another question. Okay, see children. Now come to the 11th question. In this problem, what is given? You see, read the question first. A shopkeeper supplied 2,403 cold drinks on Monday, 3,215 cold drinks on Tuesday, and 2,829 on Wednesday. How many total cold drinks were supplied in 3 days? That is the problem. Now, problem reading is completed. After completion of the problem reading, what is given? You write, as step C, right? First step. How many cold drinks supplied by the shopkeeper on Monday? 2,403. That we write first. We take that the first step. Number of cold drinks supplied on Monday. Number of, we are writing the solution. number of cold drinks supplied on Monday. How many drinks were supplied on Monday? 2,403. Next. On Tuesday, how many cold drinks were supplied on Tuesday? 3,250. Right? That is the second step. Number of cold drinks supplied on Tuesday. How many? 3,250. Now, come to Wednesday. How many cold drinks were supplied on Wednesday? 2,829. So that we write as a third step. Number of cold drinks supplied on Wednesday. 2,829. Write 9 properly. Now, what he is asking? How many total cold drinks were supplied in 3 days? Altogether, in all the 3 days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in all the 3 days, how many cold drinks were supplied? Total number of cold drinks supplied in all the 3 days. So, to get it, we add the 3 numbers. Total is asked by. To find the total, we add the 3 numbers. So, total number of cold drinks supplied in the 3 days. In the 3 days. How can we get it? Just by adding the 3 numbers. Okay. Now, we go for addition. Add the units plus digits. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17. 3 plus, we are writing the rougher. 3 plus 5 plus 9. 17. Strike off 7 and write in the units place. Now, 1 write in the tens place column. Tens place column write 1. 1 is carried out. Now, add the digits in the tens place. Tens place digits. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is the carried number. Add 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 we got. So write 4 here. Now come to the hundreds place. Take the digits in the hundreds place. That means 4 plus 2 plus 8. 4 plus 2 plus 8. That is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8 is 14. So here strike off 4. Write here 4. And 1 is there. That 1 carry out to the next place. Now add the digits in the thousands place. That means 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Total is here. So 2 plus here, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 to 8. 8,447 cold drinks supplied in the 3 days. In the 3 days, total number of cold drinks 8,447. Okay, students, that is the 11th question. Now come to the 12th question. What is the 12th question? Add the following numbers in the three different ways. We can add three numbers. Here three numbers are there. We add the three numbers. In how many ways we can add? In three ways. Grouping the numbers. Grouping the numbers. So the three numbers we take group wise. In three different groups we can take. So first way. In the first way, first number, second number, third number. Take two numbers as a group. In each group we take two numbers. We add the two numbers and to that total we add the third number. Okay. The first number is 4345. Second number is 2432. You take the two numbers as a group. To this group add the third number 735. Way 2. Second way. In the second way, in the three given numbers, take the last two numbers as a group now. Last two numbers. Okay, first number is 4345. The last two numbers you take as a group. That means 2432 plus 735. 2432 plus 735. This is the second way. Now, one more way, third way. In the third way, we take the first number and last number as a group. First number and last number. To that total, we add the middle number. First number is 4345. And last number, what is the last number? 735. We are taking the first number and the third number as a group here. We get subtotal. To that total, we add the middle number. That means 2432. Add 2432. How many ways? Three ways are there. Here we are taking two numbers as a group. First two numbers as one group. Separate. Next two numbers are taken as a second group. In the third group, we are taking first number and last number taking as a group. And to that total, we are adding the middle number. In all the three ways, we get the same result. The same answer we can get in all the three ways. Now come to first way and do additions. See, 4345 plus 2432. Okay, margin, you can utilize the margin. 4345 plus 2432. Add 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 3 7. 3 plus 4 7. 4 plus 2 6. The two numbers total is 6777. 6777. To this, we add third number. What is the third number? 735. That should be added here. Plus 735. Add 7 plus 5 12. 2. 1 is there here. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. 1. Right, 1 here carried out. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 right here. 1 carried out. 6 plus 1 7. 7512. So If we add 735, then we got 7,512. Okay, students. Two numbers were added. We got 6,777. To this we add the third number. After adding 7,512 we got. Now in the second way, come to the second way. In the second way, to the first number, we are adding now, we are going to add the last two numbers. That means here, the two numbers we are taking as a group. The two numbers are taken as a group. That's why add the two numbers first. 2432 plus 735. Add 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, children. Here, 3 plus 3, here 6. Here, 4 plus 7 is 11. 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3,167. 3,167. Now, we add this first number to this 3167. 3167, what we add here? 4345. 4345. Add now. Plus 7 plus 5, 12. 2, 1 is there. 4 plus 1 here, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 here, 1 is there. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 4 plus 3, 7. 7,512 only. 12. Same. Now come to the third way. In the third way, the two numbers are taken as a group. That means first number and last number taken as a group. So add the two numbers in this group. 4345. 4345 plus 735. Add how much? 5 plus 5, 10 here, 0, 1. 1 carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Here 3 plus 7 is 10. 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5,080. 5,080. To this, what we have to add? 2,430. 2,430 to add. 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carried. 4 plus 1, 5. Here 7. 7,512. See children, in all the three ways, we got the same number. 7,512 only, we are getting in all the three ways. So here, this is called grouping of numbers. Grouping property. That means, we take the numbers in different groups, two numbers. As a group we are taking. To that we are adding the third number. Finally, we are getting the same number in all the three ways. This is the addition procedure in the grouping method. Okay, children? Right. Now, go to the next question. Children, now in the statement problem or in the word problems, any word we can use statement or word. In these sums, now we study one more problem. Okay. 15th problem. What is the 15th problem? In a library, there are 2,435 English books are there, and 4,378 mathematics books are there, and 2,198 Hindi books. Find the total number of books in the library. This is the problem. Okay, after reading the problem, you write what is given in the problem. How many English books are there in the library? 2435. We write it as first step. So, number of English books. Number of English books. Number of English books is equal to how many are there? 2435. Now come to second step. 4378 mathematics books. So number of math books. How many mathematics books are there here? 4378. 4370. Now come to the next step. How many Hindi books are there? 2198 Hindi books are there. So number of Hindi books. Number of Hindi books is equal to how many are there? 2190. Like this, we prepare the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, like this. After that, what is there here? Find the total number of books in the library. How can we find the total number of books in the library? Just by adding the 3 numbers. We can get the total number of books in the library. So here we write total number of books in the library is equal to add the 3 numbers add. So here plus we add. That means addition. By adding the 3 numbers, we can find the total number of books in the library. Okay, add the digits in the units places. 5 plus 8 plus 8. 5 plus 8 plus 8. How much? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So strike off 1 right here in the ones place. Now this is 2 is carried out to the next place, that means seconds place. 2 is carried out here. Now add the digits in the tens place. 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3, 7, 9 plus 2. The carried out here. That is equal. Now add 9 plus 2 here 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Strike off 1 right here in the tens place. Now 2 is the carried number to the next place. That means the hundreds place. We write 2. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Hundreds place digits. 4, 3, 1. This is carried 100. That is equal. How much? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. Strike off 0. Write 0 in the hundreds place. Now 1 is there now. It should be carried out to the next place. That is thousands place. So write 1 in the thousands place. Now add the digits in the thousands place. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1. 2 plus. That is equal to how much? 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. So write 9. So 9011 books are there. Totally there are 9011 books in the library. So these are all the 3-digit now, 4-digit numbers. We have 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. 4 digits. The 3 numbers are 4-digit numbers. The 4-digit numbers added. After that we got 9011 we got. Here the result is also 4-digit number. Okay, this is the solution to this problem. Now, there is a worksheet. Worksheet is there. In the worksheet, on each and every model, some problems are there. Okay, we discuss about that worksheet problems. See children, at the end of this chapter, there is a worksheet. One worksheet is there. Worksheet is a small test for you. On the fixed models, on some important models, they will give you one worksheet. In that worksheet, we can test your ability. So to test your ability, one worksheet is given for you. In this worksheet also some models are there. Okay, let us discuss about the problems given in the worksheet. See, here in the section A, some problems are there. I will tell you second one, seventh one, eighth one. With the help of this, you can solve the remaining problems in the worksheet. Add these numbers. Some numbers are there. Add. Second one, see. What is the second question? 6,800. 4-digit number. 400. 3-digit number. 1,675. It is a 4-digit number. So here, three numbers are there. First of all, the three numbers we write one below the other and we start doing the addition. Add the units place digits. 0 plus 0 plus 5. That is equal to 5. So write 5 in the ones place. Now, take the digits in the tens place. 0 plus 0 plus 7. That is equal to 7. Single digit we are getting. So here 7 is the single digit number. We write in the tens place. Now take the digits in the hundreds place. 8 plus 4 plus 6. 8 plus 4 plus 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So here regrouping is there. That means what here? 10 hundreds plus 8 tens. Okay now. So 1800. Total how many hundred? 800 plus 400 plus 600. 8 for 12 plus 6, 1800. So here 8 we write here and 1 goes to the 1 is to be carried out to the thousands place. 1 is carried out to the thousands place. So we write here 1. Now add digits of thousands place. 6 plus 1 plus this is carried 1. That is equal to 6, 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 8. So we write in 8. 8,855. So here regrouping is there. Where is the regrouping here? In the hundreds place and in the thousands place. Regrouping is there. In the hundreds place, regrouping is there. Now come to the seventh question. 49. Second number is 2,105. 3,900. The three numbers we write one below the other according to the place values. Units. Ones place. Units place is also called as ones place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So, according to the places, the numbers were written one below the other. Now, start doing the addition work. Add the ones place digits. 9 plus 5 plus 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. Strike off 4 and write in the units place. Now 1 is there, no? Now 1 is to be carried out to the tens place. So here write 1. Now add the digits in the tens place. What are there here? 4 is there. 0. Next one also 0. And 1 is the carried number. Carried out 10. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. So we write 5 in the tens place. Now add the digits in the hundreds place. What are the digits here? 1. Hundreds place digits. 1 and 9. 1 and 9. 1 plus 9 is how much? 10. So strike off 0 right in the hundreds place. And this 1 is there now. That 1 is to be carried out to the thousands place. That means now add digits of thousands place. 2 plus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 6. Write 6 in the thousands place. Here we got regrouping in the hundreds place. Regrouping is there. Regrouping is in the hundreds place. Now come to the last question. In this 8th question, 3 numbers are there. Addition on 4-digit numbers. These are all 4-digit numbers. Now we are showing the addition on 4-digit numbers. 1213 plus 2678 plus 4430. Add the numbers. Add the digits of ones place. 3 plus 8 plus 2. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Okay. Here regrouping is there. So strike off 3 and write in the ones place. Now 1 is there now. That 1 is to be carried out to the tens place. 1 is to be carried out to the tens place. Now add the digits of tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So here what are the tens digits? 1, 7, 3 plus 1 is the carried number. So 8 plus 11 plus 1, 12 we got. Strike off 2. Write 2 in the tens place. Now 1 is there. That 1 is to be carried out in the hundreds place. Now add the digits of hundreds place. What are the digits in hundreds place? 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. Add 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Strike off 3. Write 3 in the hundreds place. 1 is to be carried out to the thousands place. Here regrouping is there. That's why 3 we write here. And 1 is to be carried out to the thousands place. Now add the digits of thousands place. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 is the carried thousands. Add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 units. 8,350. Like this, we add the numbers. Wherever regrouping is there, that regrouping part we should do separately in the margin and write the numbers in the related places and you can show the addition. Now, go to the another section, section B. In the section B, what is there here? Work out these in your notebook. Work out these. Work out these in your notebook. Okay, work out these in your notebook. Write the sum. Write the sum. So, under this, he has given some. It has this worksheet has some numbers here. What are the numbers here? Third one, suppose you see third one, 325 plus 780. 325 plus 780. 325 plus 780 is equal to what is the number we write in this blank? 325 plus 780. So, as usually, add the two numbers. These are 3-digit numbers. This number 3 digits are there, this also 3 digits are there. Add these two. 325 plus 780. Okay, add the units place. Add the units place digits. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now take the tens place digits. 8 plus 2. How much 8 plus 2? 10. So 10. So 0 right here and 1 is there. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. Now add the hundreds place digits. 3, 7. 3 plus 7, 10. And 1 is there already. 1 is there. You kept in your mind. That one also add. So 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 1105. 1105. This is the sum of these two numbers. Like this, after getting practice in the mind only, just by keeping in mind, we can show the addition quickly and we write the result in the box given. In the mentioned box, we write the result. After that, one more question is used, I tell you. 8th question, see, 363 plus 1015. 363 plus 1015. This is question number 8 is equal to, what is the answer? 363 plus 1015, that means 1050. Okay, you can do the mind calculation. That means because you are well practiced about these lessons. That's why just by keeping in mind, we can fill up this blank. You do the addition. Okay. Now, first of all, you would add the units plus digits. What are the digits in the units place 3 and 5? 3 plus 5 is how much here? 8. So, write 8 in the ones place. Now, take the digits in the tens place. What are the digits in the tens place? Here 1, here 6. 1 plus 6 is how much? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 you write in the tens place. Now, you take the digits of hundreds place. In the hundreds place here 0 is there. In the hundreds place here 3 is there. 3 plus 0 is 3. Write 3 in the hundreds place. Now, thousands place. Take the digits in thousands place. In the first number, there is no digit in the thousands place. In the second number, the digit in the thousands place is 1. So 1 we have. 1378. This is the sum of the two numbers. Now one more question you see here. 11th question. What is the 11th question here? 4207 plus. The second number is 3489. Add the two numbers. Okay. So here 4207 plus 3489. Add. Take the units place digits. What are the digits in the ones place here? 7 and 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Strike off 6 and write in the units place. Now 1 is to be carried out to the next tens place. So 1 you write here, carried out. Should be carried out to the next place. That means carried out. Now add the digits. 0 plus 8 plus 1. That is equal to 9. Single digit you got. So 9 you write in the tens place. Now take the digits of hundreds place. 2 plus 4. That is equal to 6. Single digit. Write 6 in the hundreds place. Now take the digits of thousands place. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Like this, we show the addition. That means here, just by increasing some speed, we can do the following additions. Automatically, you can raise the speed while doing the problems. Because so many sums were practiced by you. That's why in the worksheet, taking less time, we should answer the questions. So, in this worksheet, the last item is word problems. So, we want to test you in the word problems also. Generally, the students feel little bit of difficulty in solving the word problems. So to avoid that difficulty, I want to explain two sums, two working sums in this worksheet. See here, in the section C, there are 4 problems. Two sums I will teach you. So this question you see, first question. This is question number 2. Question number 2. Sumit has 2084 stamps. His sister Sunidhi has 5018 stamps. How many stamps do they have altogether? This is the question. First of all, after reading the question, you point out here how many stamps are there in the hands of Sumit. Sumit has 2084 stamps. Stamps at Sumit. How many stamps are there? 2084 stamps are there. Next. His sister Suridhi has 5018 stamps. So how many stamps at Suridhi? 5018. We take it as the second step now. Stamps at Suridhi. 5018. Okay. Now, how many stamps do they have altogether? Here, altogether means combining. Here, both. That means Sumit and his sister Sunidhi. Okay. In the hands of both the persons, totally how many stamps are there? So, total number of stamps total number of stamps at the 3 persons, at the 2 persons, at the 2 persons. In the hands of the 2 persons, totally how many stamps are there? So here what we do? We add the 2. We do addition. By addition we can say altogether totally how many stamps are there? Add the units place. 4 plus 8. So here margin what we show. Add the digits of units place. Here 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So strike up 2 right here in the units place. Now 1 is there, should be carried out to the tens place. So now add the digits of tens place. 8 plus 1 plus 1. That means 10. Strike off 0, write 0 in the tens place, and 1 it should be carried out to the hundreds place. Okay. Now add the digits of hundreds place. 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. Write 1 in the hundreds place. Now add the digits of thousands place. 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. 7 we write in the thousands place. Here carrier, here regrouping is there. In the tens place regrouping is there. So totally, how many stamps in the hands of the 2 persons? Here 2 persons means Sumit and his sister Sunidhi. Altogether, both are having 7,102 stamps. Okay. Now, come to this question. Third question. What is 245 more than 5,600? What is 245 more than 5,600? How much more? 245 more than 5,600. So, to know this, we add 256 to, we add 245 to this number 5600. Because 245 more is 10. More means we add here. Less means subtract. Here what he is asking? 245 more than 5600. So 5600 plus 245. Add 5600 plus 245. Now add the digits in ones place. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 as it is we write. 5845. So if we take 245 more than that number, then we get 5845. There in the beginning this is 5600, but we are taking some more, 245 more also we are taking. That more number we are adding to this 5600, then totally we get 5845. This is to be taken as the answer. Okay children, so I told you some working sums also in the worksheet. So using these problems, you can solve the remaining problems very easily at your home. Right children? So after completion of this, what is there? Some project work is there and mathematics lab work is there. The two works you can finish when you visit, at the time of visit the math lab. Okay, every day, sometimes weekly 2 or 3 times you are going to math lab now. So after going to the math lab, you can finish some problems in the math lab only. You have to finish that type of questions. And project work also, okay, is to be prepared by you. Okay, the given project work you write in the project notebook, and you can gain some marks by finishing your maths project work and the maths lab. Okay, children. So this is the end of this chapter. In the next class, we can go to the another chapter. Thank you.